You will see 3 little black dots. Those 3 little black dots on a rock, those are bats. Each one of those guys will consume an average of about 3,000 mosquitoes a night. And it's interesting the way how they sleep like that. Because their cousins of these ones are the long nose. Long nose are the one that, on a branch you can find as many as 20 of them sleeping on a rock. So when
Very hot. In Costa Rica, impresionante.
Four trees, see the branch coming out?
It's clear on the
Yeah, it's very clear. It's going up fast. It's going way out.
Skinnier.
No, but he's clear and you can really see him.
Oh, wow, that's far.
Cuando volvemos.
So have you ever had any accidents? And what gets you in trouble? It's a 5 times.
Oops, no problema, amigo.
I have to take pictures. You'll be fine. You go with a really good guy.
Go with Oscar.
Oscar. ¿Dónde está Oscar?
So, we got just 2 rows in here. Rule number 1, enjoy the ride. That's why you all have eat with us and Joe is to care about you. Second rule, don't play with the gear, don't touch the gear, including visual on the shop whenever you're safe. If someone likes to switch order to go ahead or behind, anytime tell us we switch your order right you like, you are not allowed to check your safety. To switch your order by yourself, even if you like to help us, better not. Right, so someone in here is lefty, braking by pulling. Pull down with the palm on cable. Clear so far? Yeah. Alright, some of the cables are super slow. If you brake too soon, there is a chance to do not reach the end. Whatever happens on the jungle,
Stays in the jungle. Oh, that's the way. That's the way.
roll your leg.
Hey, hello, hello.
Let it go. Let it go. On the side, move the hand away. Look around. Hand on cable. If you have been barely losing the hand, don't take the hand off. Just like my wife. Let it go. Let it go.
Now, I'm left-handed.
You lefty?
Do I cross my leg with my right foot or my left foot?
I will have to walk the thing. That's so hot.
Let it go.
No braking.
One, two, three. Go.
Oh, that's good, señorita.
Look back. I'm here. Here.
Muy bueno. Bueno, Martita. You like Marta? Excelente.
Look back. Here. Here. Come in hot. Come in hot.
Got it. Enjoy, señorita. Enjoy. Of course. Wonderful. There comes another one. Paula, excelente. Magic.
Well done.
Got it. Well done, señorita. Got it, buddy. Got it.
Came a little short.
Sí, pues, y pasa cualquier cosa. Lo que no pasa en años pasa en segundos.
Sí, patrón.
Hold here.
Sí, we are not yet. Rappel. And look up again, boss. Next person.
Yeah, this is great.
Oscar, si pueden me ayudar un poquitico. Rappel. Step forward a bit more. Smile on to your right. Bend your knees and straighten out. And smile. And look up. Next person. Your knees and swim out. Yes. And smile again. To your right. Don't worry. Take it easy. You are not holding for your life. This is holding you. Smile. Look up, boss. Look up.